You're a silly lot of engines. What is it with all you railway show engines? Charging about like you own the tracks? No wonder the lost engine got lost with all these twisty tracks. This railway is silly. Stop that, will you? Leave your brakes off.
Thank you for rescuing me. My name's Thomas. What's yours?
Salty! Oh no, it's her. I know what I'm doing, Gina. I've been on twisting tracks before. Whoa! These twisted tracks are like spaghetti. It was an accident. Shh, will you? You're not Sir Topham Hatt's favorite engine, James! Would you all please be quiet?
You didn't say so.
I'm not silly. You are. You're huffing and puffing and... Back up, Paxton! Would you be quiet back there? I'm trying to think.
You sure those crates are correctly secured to your flatbed, Thomas?
Yes, thank you, Bradford. Perfectly secure. This is ridiculous.